if a traveler is on his journey through the natural world of Ecuadorian Amazon, he's going to discover a lot of landscapes with nature, with scenery, with dramatic topography. However, when that traveler comes into the land of the province of Morona, Santiago, we are sure he's going to marvel at the unique forests and luxurious landscapes where there is a great diversity of wild birds that make the atmosphere lovely. In this moment, we are visiting the bird-friendly garden that belongs to Huacan, a lodging facility and recreational complex that it is situated in the jurisdiction of Proaño town. This is on the north of Macas, the Republic of Birds. Macas is the capital of the province of Morona, Santiago, in Ecuadorian Amazon. In this place, that nature lover is going to fall in love with this amazing natural setting, where it is possible to listen to many sounds that are made by those birds that sing in the morning and long the day. Here, thanks to these Stachytarfeta jamaicensis that are in the family Verbenaceae, it's possible to find a lot of little butterflies and some hummingbirds that come to this plant. They fall attracted to the blooming of this plant because the flowers of this plant produce a lot of nectar. That's why this plant is recommended to grow in our gardens, so we can feed those hummingbirds of the forests. We are Bird Friendly Amazonian International.